Are you ready to make your first video? Video creation might seem tough, but it's simpler than you think. Let's unlock the steps together. Start by deciding your video topic. Choose something you're passionate about. This will keep you motivated. Next, gather your tools. You don't need fancy equipment. A smartphone and a simple editing app will do. Once you're set up, create an outline. Plan your main points. This gives your video structure and flow. Now it's time to shoot your video. Find good lighting and minimize background noise. Speak clearly and with enthusiasm. After filming, move to editing. Trim unnecessary parts and add music. Editing apps often have great templates to simplify this. Finally, share your video. Use platforms like YouTube or social media. Engage with your audience by asking for feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more videos you create, the better you'll get. So grab your tools and start today. Your video journey awaits.